Hi folks, and welcome to Module 6.1, where we're going to talk about statement preparation. Statement preparation is one of the final steps in our accounting cycle. So far we've gone through analyzing a transaction that's occurred inside of an organization, creating the journal entries in our general journal, moving that information to into our general ledger, where we follow account by account of the different transactions that have occurred. From there, we prepared a trial balance. We've done adjusting entries for prepayments and accruals. We've done an adjusted trial balance. And the next step is to create our financial statements. So again, our financial statements include our income statement, statement of changes in equity, statement of changes in financial position or our balance sheet, and finally our statement of cash flows. And typically they're created in that order as well. Start with our income statement, as we'll need our profit information to move forward into our statement of changes in equity to add to our retained earnings. We need our retained earnings information and our capital stock information and our dividend information to follow into our statement of financial position. And we need our cash information to follow into our statement of cash flows. And so we're going to work through a number of different financial statements in our tutorial for this module. We should be familiar with the format of what they look like, and what they represent for our readers of financial statements. All right. The next section of this module will look at journalizing and posting closing entries, and then preparing a post-closing trial balance. So thanks so much, and we're going to do some practice together over our tutorial time.